Good morning, children. After the reproduction topic, today our topic is reproductive health, which leads to a good reproductive knowledge of good reproductive health leads to healthy life, as you can see here. So, in the form of slides, we will learn about different aspects of reproductive health. So, you can see here reproductive health. It is a state of physical, emotional, behavioral, and social fitness for leading a reproductive life. According to WHO, that is World Health Organization, a total well-being in all aspects of reproduction, that is physical, emotional, behavioral, and social, leads to a good reproductive health. Reproductive health, these are some problems and strategies. India was among the first countries to initiate actions and plans to attain total reproductive health as social goal. These programs are called as family planning, initiated in 1951. Improved programs covering reproduction related areas are in operation, that is Reproductive and Child Health Care Program called RCH. In this program, awareness is created, that is to create awareness about various reproduction aspects and provide facilities and support to build reproductively healthy society. How has the government taken measures? How has the government taken measures in this regard? Through the help of audio visuals and print media to create awareness. Family members, close relations are involved in the awareness. Sex education is introduced in schools to provide awareness. Proper information about reproductive organs, adolescence, and related changes, safe and hygienic sexual practices, sexually transmitted disease, that is STDs, and AIDS, as I know, AIDS, that is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Educating people about birth control options, care about pregnant women, postnatal care of mother and child, importance of breastfeeding, equal importance to both male and female, child, socially conscious, healthy family. Awareness of uncontrolled population growth, social levels, and build socially responsible healthy society. So all aspects are covered under reproductive health. Now here, implementation of various action plans requires infrastructural facilities, professional expertise, and material support to provide medical assistance and care to people in reproduction related problems, pregnancy, delivery, sexually transmitted diseases, abortion, which you will learn, that is MTP, medical termination of pregnancy, contraception, menstrual problems, and infertility. Statutory ban on amniocentesis, that is, this is a legally check. Amniocentesis is used to check female feticide, massive child immunization programs. Amniocentesis, children, as you know, it is a process in which amniotic fluid is taken to detect the sex of a child, and mostly in our society females are found and they are aborted. Researchers on reproduction related areas supported by government and non-government agency to improve find new methods upon the existing ones. Saheli is a contraceptive pill by Central Drug Research Institute CDRI, which is situated in Lucknow. Improved reproductive healthy society, increased medically assisted deliveries, better postnatal care. Natal means birth, that is, after the child is born, the parent has to be taken care. Decreased maternal and infant mortality rate, small families, better detection and cure of STDs, increased facility for sex related problems are covered under reproductive health. Now next subtopic where we will study about the population explosion and birth control. The increase in size and growth of human population is called population explosion. Indian population 350 million at independence and crossed 1 billion in May 2000. Alarming growth rate leads to scarcity of basic requirements like food, shelter and clothing. The reason for high population explosions are decline in death rate, longer lifespan, decline in maternal mortality rate, that is MMR, decline in infant mortality rate, that is IMR, some religious beliefs against birth control, lack of reproductive health knowledge. So these are the factors that leads to population explosion and birth control. Now here in next slide you can see some steps to overcome population explosion.